Next is the fourth experiment. It is based on the multiplexer. The meaning of multiplexer is many to one. So in this experiment we are having 4 inputs. So among 4 inputs we get a one output. It is the pin diagram. So in this pin diagram the multiplexer is having 16 pin. So multiplexer is 16 pin IC. So its IC number is 74151. So pin number 8 is for ground and pin number 16 is for VCC. So it is having 4 data inputs and one output. It may be among pin number 5 or 6, and it is having 3 data select lines. So pin number 10, 11 and 9 are the data select lines. It is the problem statement f of a, b, c, d. A, B, C, D are the 4 inputs. Min term of 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 15 plus don't care of 8, 9, 10, 11. It is the problem statement. I need to execute this problem statement using multiplexer. It is the circuit diagram. So first I am shorting pin number 1 with pin number 4, and I will give that pin number. From pin number 4 I will take it to 0, it means low, and next I will short pin number 2 and 3, and next I will short pin number 14 and 15. I will take those lines to high. Next I am shorting pin number 13 with pin number 12, so I will take it as D, it is the fourth input. Next pin number 9 is the first input, which is A, and pin number 10 is the second input, which is B, and pin number 11 is the third input, which is C. Coming to ground and VCC, pin number 16 is for ground VCC and pin number 8 is for ground. Pin number 16 is given to VCC, and next I am taking output at pin number 5. It is the IC 74151. So it is 16 pin IC. First I will insert the IC into the notch. After that I will lock. First I will do the basic connection. Pin number 8 is given to ground. Pin number 8 is given to ground, and pin number 16 is given to VCC. Pin number 4 I am shorting with pin number 1. That I will take it as 0 from pin number 1. Next pin number 2 is shorted with pin number 3. Next pin number 14 is shorted with pin number 15. So 2 and 3 are shorted and 14 and 15 are shorted. So I will connect these two, and from pin number 15 I will take it to, and I will make it as high. Next 12 and 13 are shorted. From pin number 7 I will make it as low, it is nothing but 0. Pin number 9 is the first input, which is A. Pin number 10 is the second input, which is B. Pin number 11 is the third input, which is C. So pin number 12 and 13 I am shorted. Among these two pins I need to take one input, which is D. Next I will take the output, which is from pin number 5. First let's see the input column. So first I made as 0 from pin number 1 and 4, and next I made as high, which is from pin number, I took from pin number 3, 2, 15 and 14. Next pin number 7 I made as low, which is 0. Next are the A, B, C and D. These are the inputs, and pin number 5 is the output. So let's verify the truth table. So it is the truth table which I need to verify. So I have grouped the two terms as single row. Why? Because it is having 16 pin IC. So 8 inputs. Among these I need to get one output. So these are the don't care conditions. So which I marked it as X. So the don't care condition, it can be high or low. So the first 0 0 0 0 and the output is also 0, and next 0 0 0 1 and the output is 0, and next 0 0 1 0 and the output is high, and next 0 0 1 1 and the output is high, and next 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 and the output is high, and next 0 1 0 1 and the output is high, and next 0 1 1 0 and the output is low. Next 0 1 1 output is low. Next we see the don't care condition, 1 0 0 and the output is high, and next 1 0 0 1, here the output is high. Next 1 0 1 0, here the output is high. Next 1 0 1 1, here the output is high. Next 1 1 0 0, here the output is low. Next 1 1 0 1, 1 1 0 1, here the output is high. Next 1 1 0, here the output is low, and next 4 ones all are high, here the output is high. Hence we verified the truth table.